Hey guys, today I'm doing a shark video on the shark. This will be my first video, and I'll also link it down in Damian Keller, so you might want to check that out too. So yeah, I'll be doing a vacuum video, so let's get started. It's the sorry guys, it's the shark powered liftaway. It's a gray one. It's an NB 3. Hang on. I could tell you in a minute. It's a 650 NV NV 650. So yeah, it's like what they have on TV. If you notice, they'll have like a light edge here, and then it'll go right around here with little dots. But they also show these ones with like these type of lights. That's how you can tell the difference if you're getting what you want or something. That's my opinion. When you want to clean out the filters, just pop this off, pull on this, and one way you can tell if it's dirty, there you go. Just pound it on the ground, and if you see dust flying out, that'll tell you it's dirty. But I'll advise you to wash them every month, once a month. You can wash them once a year, but I like to wash them once a month. Keep them nice and clean. See this? I'm gonna lift up on this. See that? Lift up. There'll be a filter here and a profit filter here. Filter, if I'm saying it right. It also shows you foam filter and felt filter right here. It says clean filters every 3 months or loss of suction may occur. I don't usually do it every 3 months. I like to do it once a month. So you can bang it and it'll tell you if it's dirty or not. I don't really use this one anymore that much anymore because they kind of are working on not. They're gonna stop making them. Right here, it is a pain to get this back on. You have to get it at the right angle. See? To empty, I'll show ya. Hang on. See? Oh, I didn't realize I have dirt in there. And I like to do a little bangs to get majority of the dirt. So yeah. When you're gonna be cleaning the brush bars, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver that'll be big enough for this. Hang on. Alright. I like to do this, see? Because it's harder to get that popped out, so it's easier doing this. That's how you can access this. here's the belt. See? I can't believe it's that dirty.